Hello guys, this is Chris with Keen Observations. Just wanted to do a little unveiling or a unboxing, as it were, of something from a company called Rausch Design Skunk Works. And this gentleman makes accessories for watches, phones, and he makes some bags and stuff like that. This is what I mostly came to his website about. Something I saw, I think it was on YouTube, or something that just popped up, you know, those little ads that pop up on your phone that you don't really ask for, but this one kind of intrigued me, so I looked it up. And so let's go ahead and open this up and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Says capsule seal, do not tamper, within area or within our flight certified according to inspect standard something or other. I don't know if that makes any sense to you guys. Don't need that anymore. So this right here is what is on the outside of the package that's on the inside of the package. I have no idea what to expect on the outside, so that's kind of cool. And right here is the cool bits. This is a remove before flight Apple Watch band. I've been wanting something like this. I was in the military for many years, and this was always something I saw on helicopters, something on my Bradley tank, my Bradley fighting vehicle. When it would never say flight, of course, in my Bradley. This is something you'd mount on the end of the barrel so you knew not to load ammo in it if we're doing bore sighting or something. It'd have a big red flag hanging off of it. But I thought this was very cool and wanted to share this with you guys, because I don't think I've seen anybody else do an unveiling. And I'm actually mount this to my watch here, one of my watches. This is the 44mm, 42mm watch band. So it won't work with the little baby 38mm ones. I think this goes on the inside. Yeah, the USA flag is on the inside. How cool is that? Nice detail. So that's on there. I'm gonna take this cover off. All right. Let's see here. Try that again. I think I should probably flip this around, but I'll play around with it in a little bit. So that's what it looks like. And I got the silver strap holder, strap hanger, whatever you want to call that thing. There was other options like black, maybe gold, and one other option. But I'll leave a link to the site that I bought this off of. The guy makes these by hand in his garage, and of course you're not going to get machine or I should say factory quality from this guy. He does it by hand. He even lays it out that you're going to get what you get, and I love this. So tell me what you guys think about that, and whether you guys would be interested in something like this. If this kind of video even intrigues you, let me know. And if you do like this, like, add, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'm so alone. I need you guys. I'm just kidding. All right, have a good one, guys.